Hey everybody, this is the Wargaming Guy. Welcome back to Red Star, another Order of Battle World War II DLC, and this is the Battle of Khalkin Gol. Played, of course, from the Russian side, since this DLC is all about the Ruskies. And as you can see, we've managed one secondary objective so far. This is a tough fight. So let's see what we got going on down here. Alright. If we can get rid of this guy, it would be amazing. We did! Yes! Alright, now we can start rolling the flank up, which is what I want. Ooh, I'm running low on points here, so I'm going to have to, you know what? I think, let's go ahead and do it this way. And we'll pull you around here. And we will upgrade those. Yeah, so, okay, good. So we finally maybe can turn the flank and start rolling this up, which would be really helpful. Because up here, man, it's just been back and forth like crazy up here. Boy, tell you what, the Japanese up here are no joke, let me tell you. Alright, let's do this. There we go. Beat them up just a little bit. This may not turn out so well. It's not going to. Yeah. Here we go. Alright, that won't work. Let's do this. Ooh, that's... No. Can I undo that? No, I can't. No crud. Yeah, this is not what I wanted. So we're just going to sit there then, because... Here, let's reinforce you. Yeah, that's not what I wanted either. Think we'll slide you over here. You definitely need to land, little buddy. And this... Ooh. Holy cow, I forgot about this part. Wow, this is a flippin' disaster is what this is. Oh my goodness. And I can't get anything on any of these people? Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, we're not doing that. We're going home. All right. Yeah, we got a real problem right here. And I don't think I can buy anything else. I mean, at this point, maybe I can. I buy them, but they don't deploy. See, I forgot. I did that last turn, too. Well, that was really stupid. Okay, well, great. Okay. Just wasted a ton of money there. That was stupid. I got nothing here except you. And you're probably going to die this next turn. You're not even going to... You can get a little bit on him. I think we're going to run. I think it's time to run. And I think it's time... Does anybody... Hello. Up here have any movement points? You don't. You don't. You do. So you're coming down here. Because apparently, for whatever the reason is, I cannot deploy anybody else. So that's just great. Yeah, we're just going to let him stay on the defensive. He'll probably die this turn anyway. So they've made a breakthrough and I've made a breakthrough. Their breakthrough is a lot closer to where it counts than mine is, though. So this is not good. Ooh, almost killed that cavalry unit. Ooh. Dang. Really? Come on, get him. Ah, not quite. The Japanese Air Force is like all over the place. Oh boy. Yeah, he's gone. They'll bring somebody else up and hit him. Yeah, like you. Boom. So that's it. My center is breached. And the Japanese are poised to pour troops to her, although they're not in great shape. Now, why can't... Now I don't even have them. Wait. Live units deployed. Reserve. Are these guys reserves or something? I didn't even know that they were reserves. How do I get them out of reserve? Sell unit. Unit can be sold at full price until it's deployed on the battlefield. Yeah, I'll sell it. If I can't use it, why do I have it here? Yeah. Okay, whatever. I don't see anywhere I can deploy it. So we're going to sell that too. Because I just might need these points, since apparently nothing else is really happening here for me. All right, let's get you up here. You're going to swing around here. You're going to come down here. And you know what? Well, there's a flag there. Is that a victory point? I'm not sure. But first, let's shoot down this plane. Oh, you're not a fighter. You can't. You are. So come up here and shoot this guy down. Okay, you need to land. I don't like that our airfield is open to being attacked now. But there's not much I can do about that. And I can't move these guys because I don't control them. So they're just sitting there with their... Well, never mind. Almost said something I shouldn't have said. Blah, blah, blah. Let's... That's not good. Let's pull you over here. Let's see if you can take a crack at these guys. Well, so probably not going to go real well for you either. It didn't. Let's shell them. That might help. Let's get up here. Yes, we can at least maybe get something on him. Finally. Gonna lose something in the process. No, we didn't. Very nice. Very nice. You. Yeah, you come over here. If I could only control these guys. Whoever their general is an idiot. But that doesn't help me right now. Oh, blah, 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 blah. Let's see. Wow. See if there's anything back here. Maybe I can pull some of them off that way. All right. That didn't work. You're coming back. I was going to pull you up, but I can't do that, or he'll just march down here and take that. So, yeah, that was probably a mistake. I wish I could undo that, but I can't. I guess that's it. Really? I don't want him to go that way, so it's really not helping me to tell me this. Here we go. What? Did I push the wrong? I did. Sorry, guys. That was stupid. Okay. Thankfully, the Japanese aren't pushing too hard. Oh, great. Another artillery. Man, the Japanese have a lot of arty. Oh, here we go. Gonna have to bring... Oh, yes, I certainly am gonna have to bring my tank back, because I may lose this hex right now. Jeez. Those guys are... Well, he moved, so he's not dug in. So that might actually be very helpful. Yes. Oh, good. He's holding on. Good. Hang on there, any tank guy. Oh, that's interesting. That's a shocker. That's a big surprise. Man, these anti-aircraft guys are amazing. I love these guys. Yeah, boy, that's what I was afraid of. All right. Oh, boy. All right. Let's... But maybe... All right, I can get something here, so let's get it. There we go. I have no idea what this will do for me, but hey. Yeah, that's certainly not real good. Let's pull you back. Let's pull you up and hurt this guy. Taking a little bit of a risk here. Okay, so I'm like amazed that they did that. Yeah, try that, buddy. All right, we've got it back. Oh, really? I can't really do much, so let's bring you down here. Meanwhile, what I'm hoping is, yes, we can get rid of him. And then loose the armor. Exploitation, baby. Oh. Curse their artillery. Curse them, I say. Curse them. All right. Did you... might as well. All right. So I can't do anything for this guy. It's too bad. I'd like to help him out, but that's apparently not gonna happen. What do we got here? We got you. You're like in good shape, man. Let's get you up and moving. There, they're finally... Oh, they're finally moving. Well, what do you know? Took them long enough. They pulled back? Oh, crap. There goes that brilliant idea. Dag nabbit. Well, I might still be able to do it. Oh, my cavalry needs a little help here. He flees, so now I can't get him. Ah, curse you. Come on, anti-aircraft boys. Fight, fight, fight. Tear them up. Tear them up. Yes, I love these guys. Oh, no. Oh, 3. Gee, that's because they're in trucks. Wow, that's smarted. What are... I'm having... I'm having real trouble figuring out what the AI's doing here, but I'm not going to complain too much. I can't. What about you guys? Can I get you? Don't want to bomb you. Wait. Ooh, good. I can get something here. You need to get back down here and land. You'll come back later. All right, let's hit this guy. Yes, kill him, but don't advance. You gotta hold the bridge. Hold the bridge for I am coming. Instead of hold the fort. Get it? Oh, I'm so funny. Not really. Yeah, that's not what I want. So let's pull back. You're just gonna stay there and get reinforced. I think actually... Yeah. I'm going to pull you back. Give you some good reinforcements. Let's go. Do a little blitzkrieging ourselves here, boys. +1. They're all +1. We'll do that one. No idea why, but we will. We'll pull you out. Pull you out and get you some reinforcements that you desperately need. Now that things have turned around here a little bit. If they had pushed this, I have no idea why they didn't, but I am glad. Oh, man, these guys are... Well, this guy's in pretty good shape. Oh, I just landed him, so I can't take him off again. Sorry. Next turn. Next turn we'll... What? You completely failed to stop the Japanese... Well, I just don't agree with you, sir. You've been removed from your command post permanently in order to make room for more able field commanders. Okay. You suck. So... I didn't... What are the secondary objectives that I missed? That. And that. Okay, well, that explains why they played the way they did. Okay, guys, there you go. No, I'm not going to save the replay. That will do it. Yes, thank you. I'm glad you keep telling me this. That's going to do it for Khalkin Gol. I'm not sure if we're going to continue on in this because I don't know when you're going to see this, but I just got word from Matrix that they're going to be sending me another game to review and play, and it will be coming out in a couple of weeks, like a week and a half or something. So I don't know. We'll see. Let me know what you think. If you want to see more of this, let me know in the comments. If you're sick and tired of it, let me know that. And until next time, this is the Wargaming Guy saying thanks for watching. Take care out there, and I will see you later.